Okay.
That's good.
So what's your name?
My name is A.O.
What does it stand for?
Yebekasa.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so
Okay, have a wonderful day.
oh, and
God be with you.
thank you. But please, can I sing some gospel song to me?
No, I can give you Hail Mary. You know Hail Mary?
Oh yeah, I know Hail Mary. Yeah.
Okay,
So-
can you recite Hail Mary?
Oh no, you recite first. Yeah.
Okay, do you want to recite with me?
Yeah.
Okay, Hail Mary,
Hail Mary,
full of grace.
full of grace.
The Lord is with thee.
The Lord of all there.
I think you're a joker.
Oh no, listen, I'm not joking.
Okay.
You talk later.
Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Okay, take care of yourself.
Yes, you. Please. Listen, I'm so sorry. I hide my identity with the kafra. Me de mais you kakra. Madam Tiffy na flower.
Eheva.
If you na flower abronsan no. Green no. Media.
If you near here.
Oh, if you na wa no green one, ufi lemon na uba fanta lemon na. Na meti. Yeah.
Me papa feel.
Oh, there be
That's my father's house. You mean
minka green no.
na near here?
Hopefully lemon green no aba ice violet no side. I want American.
Auntie Grace feel.
Oh, there be any no cause
But how na Auntie Grace feel?
me enya Auntie Grace. I don't know Auntie Grace.